Be more curious than critical. My grandfather, he wasn't a church-going dude, but he used to say, when you assume, you make out of you and me. And that's what all of us do from time to time. We assume. There's something that I use in order whenever I'm coaching couples. There's something that I use called the DISC assessment. It tells you who you are and how you're wired, right? So I'm a people person, very much a people person. And I understand that I'm very gregarious. And this kind of thing here where I'm interacting with people and having conversations, I can do this for as long as the day is. My wife, not so much. She's sociable now, but she's not gregarious like me. She's very detailed and she's very structured. So in other words, when my wife say 5 o'clock mean 5 o'clock. Not 5:15, not 5:10, not 5:30 like I will do sometimes. When my wife gives me a chore to do, like wash the clothes, I'm supposed to wash the clothes, dry them, fold them, take them to their respective places, put them away. Here's how I mess up though. I'll wash the clothes, I'll dry them, I'll fold them, put them in the basket, and on the way upstairs to the meeting area, I get a phone call from a virgin of mine. Yo, me and dude is about to wax deep. And we get on the phone and I'm waxing because now I'm in the fullness of the flamingo. You know what I'm saying? Very gregarious. Yo, my youth, ray. And we off in a deep conversation. Meanwhile, I forgot that the basket is sitting over there with the clothes folded up already. And I'm thinking I did something because I washed the clothes, dried them in. But she's a turtle, structure. Everything has to be complete. And I did all of it, but you didn't complete it. I feel good though, because I washed the clothes, dried them, and fold them in there in the basket, right? I feel like I did something. Day 1 goes by, clothes in the basket, because now I'm not even thinking about it no more. Day 2 goes by. By the time day 3 rolls around, I see the basket empty. Pastor, I dare not go and ask her how the basket got empty, because I'm looking for issues now. You understand what I'm telling you? And I've done it before. Babe, what happened to the basket? What do you mean what happened to the basket? Was it not your responsibility to wash the clothes, to fold them, to put them away? And here's how it is in terms of the wiring. You can be wired so differently that you can put expectations on somebody to be a particular thing that they're not even wired to do. So she expects me to operate in this area of detail and structure, so on and so on. I'm not that guy. As a matter of fact, if I have a list of things to do, give me 2 things at a time, because if you give me too much details at one time, I get frazzled. That's how I'm wired. Then when we go into public places and I'm supposed to be this gregarious guy and, facilitate this event or that event, and I know that after the 3rd or 4th hour, now she's becoming a little drained, right? Because large groups, she can do sociable, but she can't do it as long as I can, so she becomes drained. Now when I've kept her there past her time, she becomes a little testy now. And I'm saying, yo, what's wrong with you? Why are you not interacting with everybody? And I'm putting an unfair expectation on her to be something that she's not even wired to do. Curious more than critical, because you have to know how each other is wired in order to efficiently move through the relationship.